Hey guys, no need to fear the blue screen error. We have the solution to get you back on track. Just follow my screen to fix this issue.
Click on Advanced Options, then we need to select Troubleshoot, then select Advanced Options and then click on Command Prompt. Now type chkdsk space /f space /r space c : and hit enter. Now we need to wait for some time to complete the process. Now we need to type this command c : and simply press enter. Then type cd space c : / and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space windows and simply hit enter. Now type cd system32 and hit enter. Type in cd space config and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type md space backup and simply hit enter. Now type copy ** backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type md space backup1, then hit enter. Now type copy space ** space backup1 and hit enter. Now type cd space regback and simply hit enter. Then type dir and simply hit enter. Now type copy space ** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Now type in bootrec space /fixboot and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space c : / and simply hit enter. Now type this command cd space windows /system32 /config /regback and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type this command bcdedit space /export space c : /bcd backup and hit enter. Type cd space c : / and hit enter. Now type this command md space boot and simply hit enter. Now type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter. Type cd space c : / and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type attrib space c : \boot \bcd space -h space -r space -s and simply hit enter. Now type run space c : \boot \bcd space bcd.old, then hit enter. Now type bootrec space /rebuildbcd and simply hit enter. Type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.